Accused of raping, gagging, and killing a Fresno State student over 20 years ago. 52-year-old Nikki Dwayne Stain made his first court appearance, the judge ordering no bail for the charges that include murder and sexual assault. KSEE 24's Medeiros Babb was in court today. She joins us live now from downtown Fresno. Medeiros.
Well, Stephanie, Nikki Stain was in the courthouse behind me this morning. They did allow for cameras to be inside of that courtroom, but they did not allow us to show his face. The hearing was extended. Until then, there will be no bail.
Nikki Dwayne Stain.
Thursday morning, Nikki Stain stood in this courtroom dressed in a yellow jumpsuit with his hands shackled to his waist. Because Stain was recently assigned a public defender, he won't enter into a plea for 3 weeks. Until then, he was denied bail. That speaks to the severity of this case.
Oh, yeah, tremendously.
Legal analyst David Mugridge says the judge does this to make sure that the suspect doesn't run away.
So that's number one. And then number two, for the protection of the public.
Stain faces 12 charges that were announced last week by Fresno County District Attorney Lisa Smitkamp.
Count 1, first-degree murder.
Back in 1996, the dead body of Fresno State student 22-year-old Debbie Dorian was found in her apartment. The case went cold until just a couple months ago when Stain was arrested for a misdemeanor charge of peeping. Through DNA technology, police say they connected him to several sexual assaults in Visalia, as well as Dorian's murder. To speed up the legal process, Tulare and Fresno County DAs combined the charges into one case. But Mugridge expects Stain's attorney to fight against the joint charges, arguing that the cases aren't related.
Well, he's obviously guilty here, so he must be guilty there. But there is an impact on the jury.
Stain will be back in this courthouse on February 27th. That is when he will enter either into a plea of guilty or not guilty. Reporting live from downtown Fresno, Medeiros Babb, KSEE 24, local news that matters.